Alright guys, it's the next day. We had a blast yesterday at Cletus and Cars, but it turns out there's another event today, which is Import Face-Off at the same track, and our hotel is literally 10 minutes away, so we figured we would stay an extra day and see if we can get some more runs with the hatch since we just got this dog box yesterday. We still have to figure out why the boost solenoid or whatever it is acting up, but there's a lot less people out today. We're going to be able to make a lot more test hits, and hopefully we can get it figured out. The guy that sold me this transmission is also coming with a wastegate he had as well. We might try to swap wastegates. We're just going to try to figure out why it's going up and down on boost like it is. So yeah, we just got it teched in again. Alright, well, we're getting ready to make our first pass. We changed some settings on the boost solenoid, and we're just going to see what it does before we try to change out the wastegate, see if anything else has changed. But if it does the same thing, we're going to try the other wastegate. Just keep going from there, see if we can figure out why it's coming in and out of boost. Alright, so we just did our first pass, and it's still doing the same thing. I was just checking the holly bag in the tank real quick, making sure all the fittings were tight to it, because looking back at the log and everyone who was watching the pass, it looks like it could possibly be something to do with the fuel as well. So my car is kind of low. It's a little bit under half, but I didn't think it'd be low enough to affect anything. But it looks like right when I'm shifting, maybe the fuel could be sloshing around, because it's like right when I shift, it'll cut out for a bit, and then once the car starts to level out, it picks back up again. It also kind of makes sense because my first pass yesterday, we did the 10.6, and it didn't do it that bad, but it was still there, decently bad, and then each pass kept getting worse and worse as we keep using more fuel, if that's the issue. So we're just gonna top it off on gas, make sure it's not that, and we know the filter is good as well. But yeah.
Mazda, open the right lane.
gotta get that 60 down.
So it was gas.
You gotta keep it off the limiter.
Here you go.
Then you just click it.
You're gonna have to put that shirt on, boy.
That was it. It was on limiter at first. That was it.
If you can get it off limiter and just shift, you'll get it.
So how'd it feel, bro?
Felt good.
She's back.
I knew it was going to be a good
though.
mile an hour because I was in 4th forever.
So that was your
like,
best time and mile an hour, right?
Yeah. Best time, best ET. Now I got to throw on the SP tuning shirt.
Again,
Just in case we go 9 for Pablo. It's really dirty and smelly from yesterday.
now, oh, Mr. Scion guy, I think.
I think
You
if
are
I didn't
back,
ride
right?
limiter in first, that was it. Because I'm used to my other training. First gear in that other training was
got two-step.
forever.
I just saw a single.
I thought you said 5.1 and it still did a 10. That's like, wait.
He's like, oh no.
No, I did a 4.6. 4.600.
What was the 60?
I've done a 4.4.
1.7. Yeah.
I've done a 4.4 60 foot, so that right there would be a 9. Or 330, I mean.
And still gonna need a little more power. We need 115 or something right there.
What was the mile an hour at the 8th?
464.
The mile an hour is there.
112 at the 8th? Is that what you said?
Yeah, we need. Well, it'll be more when he decides to turn third out.
Yeah, and
Oh, did you short shift third or what?
8600. He's got a light.
That's why it
Like a
moved
light.
on him going into 4th because it hit the power real hard when it came in.
When it came in.
Well, first and second went by so fast that like when I hit third, I was like, I
Yeah,
didn't
this
want to
doesn't have as
carry.
long a first
Yeah,
as
just,
yours.
I think you're just
other
getting
one.
used to the
No.
training too.
Like I gotta get out of first pretty much right when I leave.
Yeah.
It's like
You're used to going 300
Yeah.
foot in the first gear.
And if it ever lays down, you know, just get on the clutch right away. Keep your foot
I don't
always
have
hovering.
that habit. Like,
You gotta
Somebody's
keep
got
your
some
foot
fuel.
hovering.
Oh, you got something coming?
so
And he already hooked us up with fuel, and now he's getting us some more fuel.
More fuel, homeboy, finna pull up in a CRX F2B.
Okay, okay. That Texas love.
Texas all day. If you need more, let me know. You know what I'm saying? We got this. You're welcome. You're welcome.
yeah, shout out to these guys, man.
No problem. No problem.
Couldn't do it without the fans.
Hell yeah. Damn right.
Let's go, boy. Come on.
Alright guys, so that one was a 10-4 at 141. I just need to get out of first and second gear faster. I'm just not used to this transmission yet. The gear ratios are so different compared to the old one. But she's still running. We're just gonna keep going at it. At least we're getting some cleaner passes now.
Single cam.
Super simple, super clean.
Bro, look at the sunroof, dog. You didn't even look at
It's like the beach cruiser, bro. You just cruise. Look at this thing, dude. That thing is sick.
that. That's the same steering wheel we got on the 240.
so that pass, it wheel hopped really hard in first gear, only did a 1.960 foot, and then I also rode limiter way too long in first and I think second as well. But when I got to the end of the track, I completely lost my clutch. My pedal just went to the floor, and the car died on me, and I popped the hood, and the positive wire going to my starter barely got pushed back, and it touched my clutch line, which is just a hard line, the factory line, and it like turned it this weird white color, and I don't know if there's like a leak somewhere, but now my clutch pedal goes to the floor, and it definitely like grounded the battery out on the clutch cable. So
What happened, bro?
the freaking I don't know how well you can see it. Get rid of my water bottle real quick. Yeah. The clutch line right under there was touching the,
Dude, and you said something
that clutch
about
line
that last
was
night.
touching the positive right there. So it like shut the car off. I don't know if that's why the car it like shut off for a second, then all my gauges came back on. So
I was wondering
While you were running?
yeah.
Damn.
But then once I came back out, like once I popped the hood, it was still touching it.
Still like
It was just touching it the whole time. But like the battery wasn't hot or nothing. I was scared it was gonna blow up. But yeah. But I lost the clutch pedal. The pedal just goes to the floor.
'49 with an 8. And Ray Arizola, your winner here today in 1150 index.
Okay, but what you gotta do? This is listen. Hold on. Listen to the sound. This is the sound it needs to make. Dun, 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 dun. Just like that. That in that amount of time.
Second, it was 3 pops.
So
That was only a 1.860, almost a 1.9.
yeah, well, we can do whatever we want.
Shift earlier.
Fourth was riding.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
148, bro?
148. I honestly thought it was a 9. Just because of how deep into how fast I got to fourth, I was like, come on.
Just first gear, you're gonna launch it, and you're gonna go to second.
Okay.
It's that turbo
Can I
light
shift?
second gear quick enough that it's gonna pick up time shifting into second that quick instead of sitting there spinning.
She's right there though.
Because I used to launch mine in second before too. So I know it can even do that. We just need first to get it moving and then go.
The next one, bro.
The logs are looking better.
148.8. Almost, pretty much 149.
Yeah. I said we're gonna go 150 this next one.
Damn, 148. That's moving out.
That's moving out, and this next one's gonna be faster.
Well, guys, we tried to get some more runs in, but they closed the track down. We thought they were going until 6 o'clock, but they closed it at like 4:30. So I guess they actually closed it at 4 and they let it go a little longer than that. But it is what it is. We got to the staging line and then they started shutting everything down and they said everyone who was in line couldn't make any more passes. So kind of sucks. Was really hoping for that 9-second pass. I know the hatch has it. Literally the 10-2 pass and the 10-3 pass, if the 60-foot was better, just the front half was any better by just a couple tenths, it would have had it for sure. We did get a new ET though of a 10-2 at 146, and then we also did a 10-3 at 148.8, which is our best mile an hour, almost 150 miles an hour, which is really fast. The car has never been that fast in Colorado, not even close. So it's what it is though. She does have a dog box now as well, and we're obviously gonna bring her home, and except the season's over at home, so I don't know what. Yeah. There's nothing to do at home. Yeah, unfortunately everything in Colorado's shut down for the season, so don't know what we're gonna do. She's just gonna have to sit for now unless we take a road trip somewhere else.
You know,
There's a race in Vegas in December.
Florida is pretty low elevation, and that's like in a couple weeks.
Yeah, we could just take it to, we'll see, maybe we could bring it to the next Cletus and Cars in Florida and run it down there. She has a dog box now and beefy axles, so the hatch is getting legit. I want to give a huge thanks to Travis, man, for bringing the dog box. It's like one of 3 in the country, right? Yeah. The chances that there was an H series dog box out here is crazy. This guy actually had the 700 horsepower Prelude on 1320, and he has a video like 3 years ago racing sketchy vert, waxing him. Yeah, so it's a really cool video. He's a really cool guy. He's been helping us out as well. He took me to O'Reilly's to get the brake line, bought us pizza, so it's really fun hanging out with you, man. Appreciate it for sure. Yeah. He's trying to convince me to buy the rest of his Prelude, so. Fully built motor, I don't know, I'm thinking about it. Yeah. It's great. Yeah, we're getting ready to head out right now, so.
Have you seen that challenge for a weight? You have to hold a weight. Boostedboiz! Come on.
Oh, we're gonna see that. That's great.
You're my rock, Jessica. My rock.
Always had my side.
And it's hard.